So today we're going to discuss about adding polynomials. So let's say we had two polynomials over here. Say we had x squared plus 2x plus 6. This is one of our polynomials. And then we're going to subtract that from x. This is positive. We were discussing adding polynomials. Got that. X squared minus 4x plus 9. How are you going to do this? So x squared plus x squared is going to be easy. We easily know it's going to be 2x squared. And we have plus 4x plus minus 4x. It's going to be plus and minus. It's going to be a minus. So 2x minus 4x is going to be minus 2x. And we get plus 6 plus 9, which is 15 plus 15. I don't know why I hiccuped on that one. And there we go. We got our polynomial when we added these two together. Let's do another example. This is pretty fun. Let's say we had 3x to the 4th minus 7x squared. That doesn't look like an x, but it's okay. Plus 9x minus 1 plus 8x to the 4th minus, not minus, plus 6x squared minus 2x plus 5. And how are we going to add these together? So 3x to the 4th plus 8x to the 4th is going to be 11x to the 4th. 11x to the 4th. Then if we add minus 7x squared plus 6x squared, we're going to get minus x squared minus x squared. Or yeah, we do. Sorry, I hiccuped on that. Plus 9x minus 2x is going to be plus 7x. 9 minus 2 is going to be 7. Then we get minus 1 plus 5 is going to be plus 4. And there we go. We got our final polynomial. See, it's pretty easy, pretty fun to do. Adding polynomials is one of the best things to do. I could say, in my opinion. If you have a different opinion, comment